What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, karibu sana. Karibu means you so much welcome to the channel. My name is Queen Nancy from Kenya, East Africa, Africa. Right now I'm coming live from a village in Northern Uganda, and it's just a privilege to be here. I'm so happy, and guys, we're going to do something interesting. But then before we get into whatever we are going to do, I have someone right here. I guess you've seen her in my videos, and once again you're going to see her in my videos. Expect her, or expect to see more of her in my videos, because we together here. So here she comes.
Hi guys, my name is Frida, the African girl.
Yes.
And I'm here with Queen Nancy.
Yes.
In Northern Uganda. So we are together. We're going to be creating more content, so just keep on subscribing and don't forget to like the videos.
Yes, exactly.
And also drop your comments down below. What do you think about the videos? So
yeah,
I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So kindly go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. And if you are here from my channel, also subscribe to Nancy's channel and show her some love. Okay?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So guys, we are going to do something with Frida. I hope you've just taken into keen consideration whatever she has said. She's on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, let's make it for her. Let's do it for her, guys. So what are we going to do today?
So we are going to tour this village. We're going to take you around the village.
Yes, we're going on a village tour, and I guess you can see right behind us, the house itself speaks for itself. Let me say so. The house speaks for itself, and we are going on a village tour. We want to show you the different crops that these village people do, the cash crops that they farm, and subsistence farming as well, the type of houses that they have, and all that. So expect everything that can be in a village. So as at now, let's roll. I'm going to introduce you to someone else as well. He's going to say his name, and we're going to tell you why the person is right here. So right now, let's roll into the video and see how this village in Northern Uganda looks like. All right? So let's go. Let's go. We are in this family. There's a guy right over here. I've told you that we are going to talk to him, and he's going to introduce himself. Would you mind introducing yourself? What? Would you mind introducing yourself?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, just saying your name.
My name?
Yes.
My name is Dennis Amate. Yes.
You Dennis from this village, right?
This village, this is now not a village, this is now a cell. We are now in town council. Yes. We are now in cell. The cell is Oleo cell.
Okay.
Repair Wadi. Terego district.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So guys, you said you are Danish.
Yes, I'm Dennis Amate.
Okay. So it's okay, we can go. Guys, so Danish is going to show us something. We'll get to whatever place we are going to, and you'll get to know what Danish is going to show us. Meanwhile, we are passing by this plantation. And what is this?
This is sorghum.
This is sorghum, right? So you people plant sorghum?
Yes.
What is the staple food for the people around this place?
We eat cassava.
Cassava.
So when it's processed and cooked, it's called inyasa.
So guys, the staple food for the people in this village is cassava. In Kenya, our staple food is ugali. That is, ugali is made from maize flour. But then the staple food here is ugali, but the one that is made from cassava. They call it inyasa, right? Yeah. So what do you mix to make the ugali?
You can just mingle the food like that, but you can also put in millet or sorghum.
Oh, wow. So you put in millet and sorghum. For us, it's just maize. You grind it, and that's it. So we are here with Danish. Danish.
Yes.
Tell us.
Yes, this is now my field of marungi.
Yeah, so guys, this is the field. Do you know these things?
Yes.
What are they?
It's marungi.
In English?
Yeah, also in English, people call it marungi.
Really?
Yes.
No, what's the name in English?
I don't know the English name.
This is the name people are calling
Isn't
it.
this mira?
Yes, this is mira.
Yes, this is mira. So in Kenya we know it as mira. In English it's called khat.
I don't know the English name.
Guys, let me know in the comment section down below. Mira in English, it's called khat. Khat, yes, I'm very sure about that. So, Danish has a field of, they call it marunge.
Yes, we call it marunge.
In Kenya, we call it mira.
Yes.
Mira, we call it in Kenya mira. And English, it's khat. I'm very sure. K-H-A-T. Yes, khat. So guys, this mira, Danish plants mira. How do you pluck it? Maybe show us how you pluck it.
Yes. I plant this marunge 2 meters squared. Yes.
What?
Put 2 meters before plant another marunge.
Oh,
So the distance between this and this is
Yes,
2
the
meters.
distance.
yes, from this one to that one is 2 meters. Why do you plant them 2 meters apart?
Because this marunge can stay for over 100 years. It also keep growing. Even I left it here, my children also work on it. They also get money for it. Right now, I started to plant this marunge when I was in senior 2, that is senior 1, that is in 2012. Now this marunge is now 13 years. Is now 10 years.
2012.
2012.
11 years.
Yes, it is now reaching to 11 years.
Wow. These things have been here for 11 years.
Yes, 11
Can you
years.
believe?
Yeah.
Can you believe that they've been here for 11 years?
Yes, because when you plant it, it's not usually like this.
Oh.
So you plant like one, and then as you keep on harvesting, it keeps on expanding. That's why
Now
you
you
leave
come
the
on
2
to
meters.
see the one I plant this year. You come and see the size.
Oh, it's not. It doesn't grow fast. It takes time.
On harvesting it.
It takes time to grow. These ones are big.
You see? You remove it like this. Now you plant. It is started to grow up to reach into this stage. Yes, that is how you got the plant of the marunge.
Wow.
You make a hole, and then you plant it into that hole. It will start to grow. You come on to see the one I plant in this year. 7 months left it to reach to 1 year.
Months to go for it to reach clock a year. Wait, this thing is 1 year old. How old is this? 3 months or?
Yo, no, not 3. This one is now 5 months. If you add 5 months to 7 months, it reaches into 1 year.
So this thing is 1 year old.
This one,
Not
it's not yet. 7 months left.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Oh, so it's 5 months.
Yes.
This thing is 5 months old.
Yes.
I can't believe. It seems like it
takes
was
long to
planted
grow.
yesterday. Guys, this thing is 5 months old. Really? Wow. How do you pluck? How do you pluck them? The ones that are ready to be. How do you harvest? Maybe you show us how you harvest.
I harvest it by digging. We just dig.
You don't pluck?
By rotting on.
No, the one of plucking, you can see it here. This is how we pluck it. Even you can also do it
Why do you do that?
because this one is not good.
You're
Yes, it
removing
is
the
too
one
hard.
which is not good.
The one which is short.
So you pluck the shoot, like this one.
Yes.
Let me see, guys. You pluck the shoot. So let's take this one.
Yes.
So this one can be eaten. It's edible.
This one, right now cannot be eaten because I was being sprayed it today.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
The one which is ready to eat is starting from there to there. So, also today, do you see the one I put it under?
Yes, I
Yes,
saw it.
We have been removed it from there.
Ah,
Yes, this one is stay for 1 week. Yes, to start plucking after
okay.
spraying.
What if it doesn't rain?
If it doesn't rain, we start to pour water because this elder brother of mine, he allow from that water to use it here during dry season.
No, I'm saying
Yes,
now you sprayed it today.
yes.
So when 1 week elapses and it doesn't rain, do you still pluck and eat?
Yes, it keep. Yes,
You can still eat it.
The size will keep on raining. Yes,
I've just
today.
seen a plantation of. I've
Like
just
if
seen
you
a plantation of
today,
mira.
if it
I've been
rains
seeing
today,
mira, but I've never seen a plantation.
work.
But today I've seen from the crop itself, the bushes. This now a shrub of mira, and this is the shoot. Let me pick this and taste. I would have tasted, but then he has just sprayed, so I can't have a taste. What's the importance of mira in the body? Leave a comment down below. Why do people take mira? All right, thank you, Dennis.
How about
That is
That
tobacco.
one is tobacco.
Is it yours still?
Yes, it's mine.
Okay. So guys, another thing I didn't tell you, the cash crop, the main thing grown in this village, the cash crop that they grow specifically for money purposes is tobacco. So Danish has a plantation of mira, and there's a path separating the plantation of mira from the plantation of tobacco. So this is tobacco. It's the main crop grown in this village. It's their cash crop. Yeah, so this is it. This is tobacco.
taba.
It's called
Tapa in our language.
taba.
Yes.
Aha, so tobacco in your language is called taba. How do you know that a tobacco leaf has come to maturity?
You see, the color
Yes.
start to change. Yes, they start to change to yellows. Yes.
So like this one has started changing to
Yes.
yellow. Is it mature?
Yeah, this one is mature because I leave this one for seed. Yeah, this is the seed.
These are the tobacco has seeds.
Yes. After this, you put it in the nursery.
Here
bed.
they are falling on me.
Yes, this is no. You because you asked. Yeah, these are the seeds.
These are the seeds.
Yes.
So will they grow on me?
Even here, more than 100 seeds.
Inside here.
Yes, you see. More than 100 seeds.
Tobacco seeds. I didn't know tobacco has seeds. Okay. But why do you people plant tobacco as your cash crop?
Because tobacco, people got a lot of money. Like me, I bought a motorcycle for it. I bought my metallic kiosk for it. My metallic kiosk cost me 3,500,000. I got it from tobacco.
How many dollars? 3 million, 3.5 million. Okay, how many euros?
That's about 1,000 euro.
Oh, 1,000 euros. So that's roughly.
$1,200, $300.
If you have a time in the trading center there, Wakoloko, right now people are selling tobacco.
Okay.
If you got time, when you're passing through that trading center, you can go and visit how people work on it, how they buy it. Yes.
I will, but maybe not today. But I'll plan so that I can go visit and see the process, the tobacco process from planting to maybe cigarettes, the cigars. Yes, the puff.
Now the people are now sell it. So the manager, they send some big vehicle to transport it from there. I don't know where they're ending.
They are going to the factory. Yeah.
either goes to BAT or Meridian Tobaccos.
BAT or Meridian Tobaccos. Wow. All right, guys, maybe we would have brought the story behind tobacco, but YouTube doesn't encourage. Yeah. Advertising tobacco. YouTube will flag me.
This government of ours is against tobacco.
It's against tobacco?
Yes.
But you are still planting and you're saying
people to stop planting tobacco.
But why are you people planting?
Because nothing for us to get money like tobacco. Without this marungi, I'm telling you, I cannot survive. Even that small marungi we see, which I've been plucking, around 10,000 today I will get.
Okay. I think I should get a garden here and plant tobacco and marungi. This is the fastest way of being a millionaire.
You also eat it?
Yes.
You see.
You can't sell whatever you don't eat. Anyway.
That time I'm going to start in eating it.
You're going to start eating?
Yes, I have the items there. Yes.
Tobacco.
The big G.
Thank you so much.
Zinat also work on it. We use zinat. We use gum. These gombas.
Uh-huh.
Yes, these are all our items.
For eating.
Omena.
Omena.
They eat with
It's
the
not
kid when also.
inclusive.
Really? Okay. Thank you so much, Danish. I'm glad. Thank you for taking me through your farm, your tobacco plantation, and also your millionaire plantation, the khat plantation. I so much appreciate.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Yes, so we proceed, right? Guys, we just hijacked him when he was going to his shop. So I'm very grateful for the time he has taken to take us around his farm. So we continue with the journey of checking around. I was told these are food. A vegetable.
Okra. Very delicious. One of my best
okra.
food.
It goes so well with omena.
With omena, with the fish, with the dry meat.
Guys, this is okra. Let me just admit, I've only seen okra being sold in the market, but I've never seen where it's grown. Do you eat the leaves as well?
Yes.
Yes. But these ones.
You eat the leaves?
Yes.
The young ones, not these.
You cook the leaves the way vegetables are cooked
Exactly.
and eat.
Yes.
It's very hard.
No, you don't pluck
Those are
these.
mature ones.
Yes.
Pluck
Pluck
the young
these
ones.
young
Mature.
ones.
Even this one is also mature.
This
They
is
will leave this
mature, you
one
can't
for
eat
seed.
it.
This one is for seed for next season.
This one is for seed.
Yeah, it's now mature dry. Then there's the seeds.
That you eat.
This one can be plucked and
The
eaten.
one which is now dried.
Oh,
I have. It
You-
will dry. This one we remove it, then it get dried, so that you remove the seeds. Then you plant.
wow.
Yes, like maize.
Oh,
Do you
yeah.
know how we
Yes.
plant them? Yes.
We plant maize back in Kenya, so I know the process of planting maize.
Yes.
Okay.
Now you see, another one is also here. This is how-
This one has dried up.
Yes, it is not drying, but it is not enough. Even a rat now can be removed.
You want to remove it?
Yes, it can be removed.
Ah, I've seen seeds. Ah, it has big seeds.
Yes. Big.
Tobacco has tiny, tiny ones.
Hey. These are the seeds.
Take a plant in Kenya.
I go plant in Kenya.
Yeah. Then show us how it grows, how you're growing it.
I've been given okra seeds to go plant in Kenya. Let me go put them in my bag. Thank you, very important.
Give more.
You giving? I'll come for it when
Take the whole thing.
I've been gifted these. I don't know where I'll keep it, but anyway.
Remove the seeds and put in a camera and you go with it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. So we continue with the journey. Yes.